Hello and welcome to the Libero SoC version 12.0 release update notes. Over the next few slides, I will highlight the features and changes that are included with this release of Libero SoC version 12.0. Libero version 12.0 offers a single design development platform for SmartFusion 2, Igloo 2, RTG4, and PolarFire devices. The table highlights what device support is provided in Libero SoC version 12 versus Libero SoC version 11.9 and earlier. If you need to use any of the earlier versions, please note that that software branch is in maintenance mode and only critical bug fixes will be made to that branch for the future. In the release of 12.0, we are supporting a unique design flow for PolarFire SmartFusion 2, Igloo 2, RTG4, and Next Generation families only, and that is our enhanced constraints flow. If you would like to continue to support the classic constraints flow, you will have to migrate to the 11.9 version, and PolarFire devices are not supported. Version 12.0 offers some new devices that are supported. We've added 2 additional RTG4 devices. These are the lower power version of the RTG4 150,000 logic element device and have a 25% static power reduction. We've also included 2 new devices in MilTemp for the SmartFusion 2 family, also in 150,000 logic elements in the 484 package. Libero version 12 does support production timing and power for the PolarFire MPF 300T, TS, and S devices in the -1 speed grade. Continuing on with additional features in this release is some of the enhancements to our transceiver architecture. In fact, we released enhanced receiver management for our transceiver blocks with added calibration functions. For our transceiver transmit PLLs, we added attenuation for CPRI and some additional bandwidth options. Our transceiver IP now supports SD, HD, and 3 gig HD SDI serial digital interface solutions. We are also supporting mixed voltage inputs for GPIOs and our high-speed IOs. Libero SoC version 12.0 generates timing arcs for IOD interfaces. We also have made some enhancements to the pin report to show used and unused pins. This version of the tool also offers some improvements in runtime and memory performance. Compared to the prior release of software, we now see a reduction of about 25% in runtime for place and route, 60% for timing, and 20% for power. With regards to PolarFire, peak memory utilization has been reduced by 50%, while in the high-effort place and route mode. We also offer some design performance improvements across all families with an additional 30% improvement in our PolarFire DDR performance. New timing constraints and some enhancements that apply across all families are listed below. Version 12.0 brings some project manager enhancements. We have overhauled the Smart Design Canvas for all supported families. We've also overhauled language support, now including VHDL configuration and full elaboration of HDL generics. We've added TCL-based design entry for Smart Design, HDL Plus, and core configuration. In fact, we support TCL script commands in Smart Design. There are some additional project manager enhancements. Please refer to the release notes for additional details. Starting with Libero SoC version 12.0, the FlashPro software will no longer be included in the Libero design software, nor will it be available in standalone mode. However, we are releasing and supporting FlashPro Express version 12.0 programming software, which will replace the FlashPro programming software. Several reasons why we made the decision to discontinue FlashPro software. What you need to understand is that FlashPro Express supports both Windows and Linux platforms and is designed to simplify the handoff to production programming as well as support our secured production programming solution for SmartFusion 2, Igloo 2, and PolarFire devices. Refer to this table to understand the Flash programming support with regards to the Libero software version and the FPGA family targeted. You may also refer to the FlashPro webpage and the FlashPro PDN to know how to program the Libero SoC version 12 design using FlashPro version 11.9 and FlashPro PolarFire version 2.3. This version of the tool offers some smart debug enhancements. We've added a fabric hardware breakpoint solution for both PolarFire and RTG4. We support PCIe debug in PolarFire, and we've also added an iMonitor enhancement for PolarFire that offers infinite persistent mode for transceiver iMonitoring. If you would like additional information about PolarFire transceivers or the Smart Debug tool, please refer to those user guides available on the website. That concludes the update for the Libero version 12.0 release notes. Thank you.